Alright guys, we have the 3 variant dito sa Toyota Calamba ng the new generation Tamaraw FX. First, ito yung 2.4 drop side, diesel, manual. So, manual, kitang-kita naman, steady wheels, manual transmission. So, less features, drop side, 1, 2, 3, nagda-drop yan lahat guys, alright? So, this is the diesel, it's around 937,000. Ito yung second, utility van, meaning close yan. So, sa kaya ng mga pasahero. Same specs, yung mga headlight, kitang-kita naman yung comparison. But that's 1.1 million pesos. So, ito, pampasahero talaga to guys. Kasi nga, ayan, close van eh. So, pwede rin kargahan ng anything. Yung other one was open, but this one is for, close. Dami, sampuan. Balibago, Santa Rosa. So, ayan. Kasha. And then lastly, kita nyo naman guys, naka-mugs, drop side din. But this is diesel automatic transmission. So yan, sa mga hindi expert sa manual, ito yung inyong option. 1.75 million pesos. So mas mura to na konti compared dito. Kasi nga, open pa rin to. But this is automatic, halogen, LED. So napaka-porma guys. Pang-deliver na, maporma pa. Diba? Naka-mugs. So yeah, kita nyo naman guys. Saka yung loob nyan, ang ganda. May mga touches of trim of orange siya sa aircon. Pakita ko sa inyo.